Hello everyone. I'm Kevin from Shenzhen Xunxun Electronic Company. Our company name is FoxUn. You can see here FoxUn FoxUn, our name. So I'm going to introduce one of our products. Its name is HDMI KVM extender over Ethernet or fiber. It works in pair, one transmitter and one receiver. It supports KVM function. You can see the US Type B for inputs, and the HDMI ports, and the fiber ports, Ethernet ports for IP control. This one is the receiver. Here, you can see the rear side, for the HDMI out, and the USB for KVM function, and this is fiber in for fiber extension. Okay, let's see the front panel. This is for group ID, for pair to pair the receiver and the transmitter for group IDs. Yeah. So we can see the poster for the diagram. See, it can work in one to many to many. This you can see the many to many installation. It works with the transmitter from the PC signal source, and you will go to the transmitter connect to the network switch. Then we can control connect to the receiver. Many receivers you need. Then we go to connect to the TV, keyboard and the mouse. That's the whole projector. And this product we can support the video wall function up to 8x16 video wall. So you can see simply we can create a 2x2, 2x3, 3x3. This is 3x3 video wall. This is IP solution. It can work also transmit the signal via the fiber ports up to 60 kilometers. Yeah. So you can see the video wall 2x2, and like different preset mode. Yes. So I just simply introduction for this product. Thank you. Okay. I forget. This is our website. You can type in our website and check all our products there. Thank you very much.